रमेश जी, जो एक माहौल बना था, this had been created after first phase, second phase. First of all, this information that people are not voting, which was proven to be false when the final results of the voting figures came out from the Election Commission. Between then and now, somewhere it seems to me that the India Alliance has nothing new to talk about. It has lost the momentum, so much so, I'll tell you, that even the Congress loyalists like Yogendra Yadav, even they are saying that Modi will be Prime Minister. Okay, he may not get these many seats, but Modi will be Prime Minister. You see, and the narrative has changed. The momentum has, even your YouTube people who support you, they don't have the same energy anymore that they had after phase 2. What happened?
No.
Ji.
I think today is the sixth phase, elections.
Sixth phase.
Election is going.
Sir.
You see my leader Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka ji and Khadke ji, they are too much touring the whole country. And this election is people versus Mr. Modi. We are going to, I was in the New Delhi constituency for your function only, I came.
Thank you.
And because I was moving to polling booths, you will not believe every government servant was casting a vote to India Alliance. The people are fed up from these bhashans, from these jumlas. The momentum is like a nuclear bomb. It's like a rocket. The India Alliance momentum is too high. When I met Rahul ji in the morning today, and Sonia ji and Priyanka ji also for the voting in Sanchar, the Nirman Bhavan.
All of you voted for AAP?
Yeah, definitely. Yes. It's India Alliance. We voted for India Alliance. So
you voted for AAP?
Definitely. Their symbol was there. There is no doubt about that. And we did that because the Dharam Nibhaya Humne India Alliance ka, because we want to save the country from, you know, the Britishers have come back again. The way in which they were dividing. The Indian people know freedom movement also. They understand the freedom movement because they fight it with the Britishers also. They know that's why वो लोग इतना गुस्सा निकाल रहे हैं इन मशीनों के ऊपर वोट डाल के खटाखट आप देखना चाहते हो
आपको you could hear the
नहीं उसका गुस्सा मिस्टर मोदी के खिलाफ जो प्रेजम्पशन आपने बना रखी है नैरेटिव फिक्स किए हुए हैं आप देखिएगा 4 जून के बाद कि क्या किस तरह से खटाखट जो है लोग जो हैं लोगों को
ईवीएम टूट तो नहीं गई
ये अच्छा
इतनी खटाखट कर रहे थे ईवीएम तोड़ तो नहीं दी आपके समर्थकों ने
वही मुझे लगा कि इतना गुस्सा इतने गुस्से की बात कर रहे हैं यस दैट्स राइट था बताइए
वो तो सरकार की ईवीएम है काफी
तो आपने वोट क्यों की सर व्हाट डू यू मीन सरकार की
गवर्नमेंट की
सर यू डिसाइड सर माय क्वेश्चन वाज डिड यू लूज द नैरेटिव
नो we are
you don't think
we will form the government Rahul Gandhi will be the prime minister
okay he wants to have a first go please Gaurav he says that this is all an undercurrent that we are not seeing
I don't know if you asked that had you lost the narrative
yeah
so I had a bigger question and not to him but to all your people who are watching this show was there any narrative I don't think so was there any alliance is there any alliance called as Indi
is there an alliance
well, because
that's a good point he has raised
because Arnav
good point he has raised
Mamata Banerjee as per my friend she's a part of the alliance but she's telling that I am not part and she's telling that Congress will fall below 40 but Congress is saying they are part of the alliance this is not alliance this is a group of people who had only one commonality that they hate the growth of the country that is
not Narendra Modi
they hate the growth of the nation so that is the commonality between this and this is a group of people who had family owned political parties starting from east there is a Banerjee family then Soren family then Lalu family then Mulayam family then if you go to south then we have Karunanidhi family Thackeray family Pawar family and latest in this list is Kejriwal family for which my friend had voted and I would like to remind him that I also when I was part of them and I am still of that statement that Kalyug ka sabse bada bhrashtachari Kejriwal hai we used to say in Congress party
even he used to say
and now he's telling proudly that he had voted
he's
for
not proud he's not proud you look at him he's not proud
he's not
are you proud
no it's a question of a dharam of the India Alliance we sacrifice for the country because we have to save this country from Mr. Modi dictatorship.
So
we have to save the
vote was to Kejriwal.
तो उसका symbol था ना.
Okay. तो Khatakat vote was to a symbol who had said, I quote, that Sonia Gandhi is epitome of corruption. I unquote. तो उसको खटाखट वोट दे के आए हैं.
आज वो मिस्टर मोदी के बारे में बोल रहा है, he was the B party.
But
Mr.
इन्होंने
Modi.
बहुत बड़ा point raise किया है.
He was
I
a
want
B
to, I
party
want to, I want to go on that.
Yeah, yeah.
What he's saying, if Rajat, we can take it forward with you and Professor Akhil Swami. He has said that there is no momentum of unity. And he said, where is there an India alliance? We need to think about this. TMC and Congress party are fighting. Mallikarjun Kharge is rebuking Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Chaudhary says Mamta has proven that she can never be trusted. In Punjab, Professor Akhil Swami Bhagwant Mann rebelled and he said, I am not going with an alliance. He's contesting all the 13 seats independently. Mamta Banerjee says, I am contesting all 42 independently. Nitish Kumar joined the NDA, right? In Kerala, Shashi Tharoor has big doubt over the CPM and Congress alliance. Never happened. Madhya Pradesh, Akhilesh was attacking the Congress. कि इनको आप बिल्कुल बिलीव नहीं कर सकते. In Maharashtra, Sanjay Raut suggested Congress must start from 0 seats in seat-sharing negotiations. In Uttar Pradesh, this is a very late alliance. In Tamil Nadu, Congress is a junior party, so it's happy. My question is, there is no alliance. Professor Swami, it is time that we start from a presumption that there was no alliance before the first round of voting. There is only a dream you are putting of an alliance. Where is the alliance? I think there is no, it's a political catastrophe. This whole concept of an alliance has been a political catastrophe, as catastrophic as the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. Professor Swami.
See, when you introduced me,
Yes.
you said I am pro-Congress and anti-BJP. I am not anti-BJP. I am basically anti-Modi.
Anti-Modi.
Yes, if I voted for 10 times in my life, 5 times I voted for BJP and 5 times I voted for Congress. I was basically a person who was totally against Congress. I was a disciple of Lohia, Dr. Lohia. See, in last 10 years, what I have seen, the way the farmers were treated, so badly treated. In last 75 years, I have never seen any prime minister and the government treating farmers so badly. I have not seen some decisions that have been taken, like demonetization. We ruined the total economy of the country. Gaurav Vallabh is also his economist. I am also somewhat, I can say that.
I'm sure he will respond to you on that.
The way the economy was shattered, the total currency that was available at that time came back to banks. All black money of the big capitalists was turned into white money. And today the currency in circulation is double of that. So I'm anti.
How do you have that figure?
You can check the figure.
You can't bring approximation.
You can check the figure. Now,
I
the
can't
point
check the
is
figure.
that
I'm asking you
the
to tell me
scheme
where you
like-
gave me that figure.
The scheme like.
So where did you
Agniveer-
get that figure from?
The scheme like.
So where did you
Agniveer-
get that figure from?
The scheme like.
You're not
Agniveer-
answering me. So where did you get that
See,
figure
the point is that scheme like Agniveer, which has totally ruined the growth of my youth, and a person who took this decision is himself 74 years old. He wants an extension of 5 years. As a person of 72 years, I want my next generation to get jobs. I'm interested in my students' employment. I'm interested to control the inflation. I don't want to hear जिस तरह की भाषा बोली जा रही है. मैंने न पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को कहते हुए सुना है, न अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को कहते हुए सुना है. इस प्रकार की भाषा कि मैं भगवान का अवतार हूं, ये एक प्रकार से.
Where does he said that against a fact check? आप ये जो बातें कहते हैं, आप ये प्रोफेसर स्वामी जी, आप बहुत सीनियर व्यक्ति है, मैं आपके साथ ऊंची आवाज में बात नहीं कर सकता, मगर कृपा करके हमको बताइए कि मिसलीड करने की भी तो कोई ना कोई लिमिट तो होती है.
नहीं, क्या ये नहीं कहा गया?
कहाँ कहा
कि मैं
भगवान का अवतार हूँ? कब कहा?
अरे
नहीं, बहुत बड़ी बात कहती.
अरे संबित पात्रा कह रहे हैं
नहीं.
कि जगन्नाथ भगवान जो हैं वो मोदी जी के डिसिपल हैं.
नहीं.
विश्व हिंदू जो वहां पे जो आपकी जन्मभूमि के महंत हैं, वो कह रहे हैं विष्णु का अवतार
कोई नहीं
हैं. मेरे सनातनी के भावना पे ये एक प्रकार का वो है, आघात है, और मेरी सनातनी भावना आहत हुई है. राम जन्मभूमि पे जब मेरे शंकराचार्य ने कह दिया कि वहां पे मंदिर अपूर्ण है, शास्त्र विरुद्ध है, ये वेदों के विरुद्ध है, जो सारे कार्यक्रम हुए, मेरी सनातनी भावना को ठेस पहुंची है. आई एम हर्ट.
नहीं देखिए,